Life is serious. We call it life or death. Somebody asked me one time if I had a good description of life. I said, yes, I think I've got a good one. Life is the struggle to keep death at a respectable distance. Right? Death seems to want to move in prematurely. If you want to live a good, long, flourishing life, you got to push back. It's serious whether you win or lose. It's serious whether you succeed or fail. It's serious whether you've got a good future carved out for yourself or you do not have. These are serious matters. Matters of the heart are serious. Matters of income are serious. Matters of supporting your family, serious. And I'm asking you to take it serious. Take your own future serious. What you can do for your family, take it serious. This is serious business. Develop your own personal philosophy here. Philosophy, major determining factor in how your life works out. Each person's philosophy is like the set of the sail. The same wind blows on us all. The difference in where we arrive at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year is not the wind that blows. And the wind is blowing around the world. All kinds of things are happening. In Russia today, the winds are blowing. But what's going to make the major difference? Each person's personal philosophy that sets a better sail, sets a better sail. So don't ask for a more favorable wind. That's like wishing something that's not going to occur. Don't ask for better seed and soil. All you got's what's available. Don't curse what you got. On this planet, all we got's the seed that's here, the soil that's here, the miracle of life that's here, the opportunity that's here, the seasons that are here. That's all we got. Wherever you've come from in your country, the economy you got, that's all you got. In America, our economy, that's all we got. The government, that's all we got. The marketplace, that's all we got. Whatever you do, don't criticize all you got. The key is to set a better sail and turn what you've got into the miracle of your future. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills. The major key to your better future is you. Major key to your better future is you, yourself, personally. Once I understood that all those years ago when I first got started, age 25, my whole life changed. It's not the circumstances that come after it. It's not the opportunity that presents itself to us. The major key to our future, each of us personally, resides within ourselves. But I promise you that that's where it should be. The miracle of your future has to start with you. First, it has to start with you deciding what do you want out of your life. Your willingness to look for opportunity. And when you find it, your willingness to do something about it. Like Mark Hughes, once you've got an opportunity going, willingness to learn the skill, one at a time. Learn the next one. Learn the next one. Learn the next one. The whole key, really, to your future is your own personal development. Because the miracle of your future does not lie outside of you. The miracle of your future lies within you. Some changes I needed to make at age 25 so that I could become a millionaire at age 31. And I had a teacher who gave me these extraordinary words, and I want you to make a note of them. And here's what he said. Mr. Rohn, if you will change, everything will change for you. If you'll change from a person who won't try to a person who will try, your life will change. If you'll change from a person who let things slide to a person who takes care of the situation, your life will change. If you change your attitude about money, about the marketplace, about the government, about circumstances, if you'll change all of that, your life can change. If you'll change your attitude, change your thinking, change your willingness to work, change from drifting to doing the job, if you'll start making these changes, your income will change, your life will change, your future will change. I heard that simple promise when I was 25 years old, and I started making those changes. And I promise you here today, if you'll start the process of changing into a stronger person, changing into a person that takes advantage of opportunity instead of letting it slide, if you'll start making those changes, skill by skill, step by step, day by day, your life will change. But you've got to take those steps. You've got to walk out into the future yourself. But if you will do that, I promise you the most extraordinary things will happen for you. For things to change, you've got to change. I used to keep wishing that things would change back in those early days, with my fingers crossed, hoping maybe the government would change, the economy would change, my negative relatives would change. And then I found out all of those things are going to be about like they've always been, that if I wanted my life to change, I was going to have to change myself. But if you will start making those personal changes, I promise your life can take on some incredible changes. Your income can change, your health can change, all kinds of things can start happening to you that have never happened before if you'll begin the process of personal development. So make the note. The major key to my better future is me. Interestingly enough, for everybody in this room, the marketing system is the same. The products are the same. The only variable here now is each individual person. The same wind blows on us all, the wind of circumstance as well as the wind of opportunity. But here's how you take advantage of it. Look inside yourself. And if you'll start making those personal changes of discipline, personal changes of time management, personal changes of willingness to learn the skills, personal changes of personality improvement, attitude, all of the rest, becoming better than you are, more than you are, stronger than you are, wiser than you are, more capable than you are at this very moment. Key phrase: success is something you attract by the person you become. Success is something you attract by the person you become. Success is not something you pursue. It's not something you chase, not something you go after. What you go after and chase usually eludes you like the butterfly you can't quite catch. So you don't have to pursue success. Here's what you have to do: develop success. And success starts inside. Success starts inside your head. Success starts inside your heart. Success starts inside yourself. When you decide you're going to make the necessary changes and do the necessary growing in personal development. Success is something you attract by the person you become. So do your job well. Do not doubt your own ability. Don't doubt your ability to change. Don't doubt your ability to grow. Don't doubt your ability to take command. Don't doubt your ability to learn all the skills. Whatever you want, I'm telling you, it's all possible. Make this note: none of us lack the capacity. None of us lack the capacity. We have far more capacity than we have time to take advantage of. I do read a record where it says all that time ago, some people lived to be 700 years, 800 years, 900 years old. I feel a little shortchanged when I only have the chance maybe to live 70, 80, 90, 100 years, when all that time ago, the record says, some lived to be 700, 800, 900 years. It seems like it would take 7 or 8 or 900 years to tap the full extent of our capacity, let alone 70, 80, 90, 100 years. But here's what I'm asking you to do: get busy. You've got more brain power than you've used so far. You've got more potential than you've used so far. You've got more strength than you've possibly used so far. No telling how many languages you can learn, no telling how far you can go, no telling how strong you can get until you get busy working on yourself and see if you can't tap all of your full potential. That's why I love the journey of personal development. Don't sell yourself short. People might have put you down in the past. I'm telling you, those days are over. People that have told you you're too short, people that have told you you're too tall, you're too old, you're too young, and disregard all of that. I'm telling you, the old idea about your limitations of the past, those days are gone forever. And you can be whatever you want to be.